Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and it is a new month, which means a new series on my channel. And for the month of June, I am partnering with my local farmers market, the Renton Farmers Market, to bring to you salad recipes all month long. So the first one is going to be a sweet kale salad made with really easy, fresh ingredients. So if you guys love salads, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So let me walk you through the ingredients first before we get started. So over here, I've got a big bowl of kale. This is kale that I got from Trader Joe's. What I did was I just took off the really thick stems. So these are just the leaves. And then over here, I've got a cabbage slaw mix. So it's got different types of cabbage and then shredded carrots as well. So this is kind of the base and you can play around with it. There is some shredded Brussels sprouts you can also use. There's a really good blend from Trader Joe's that has shredded broccoli, carrots, and it's kind of used for a slaw, so you could also put that in here. But this is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm gonna use. And for toppings, I've got some pepitas, which is just pumpkin seeds that are deshelled, and then cranberry, dried cranberry. So that's really all for the toppings. And this is a salad that you can find anywhere. It's a sweet kale salad. Costco has it. Trader Joe's has a version of it. Pretty much any big grocery store has like a different version of this. So this is my take on it. So let's go ahead and work on the dressing. So I've got mayo here. To keep it lighter, you could also use Greek yogurt, but I didn't have any plant-based or any yogurt on hand. So I'm gonna be using some Vegenaise. And then to that, I'm gonna add some red wine vinegar. And then I'm also going to add a tablespoon of really good olive oil. Okay. And then I've also got some poppy seeds because it's a really good poppy seed dressing. And then sugar and salt. Okay. And then mix that all up. Okay, that looks perfect. If you want it a tiny bit thinner, you can add a little bit more olive oil, but this looks like the perfect consistency. So now let's go ahead and just pour it right over. I've got a spatula too, so that we don't waste any of this in the bowl. Okay, so now you just toss it with the dressing. Okay, so that looks perfect. Now, that is how easy it is. Look at that, you've got a really big, hearty, very nutritious bowl of salad. So now, I'm gonna do a taste test. And what's awesome about this salad is that because you're using very kind of hearty greens, it doesn't wilt. It's not like lettuce, it's not gonna wilt, so you can put it in the fridge, not have it all on the same day, and it'll be perfect the next day as leftovers. So, I love this salad. Okay, gotta get a perfect bite with cranberry and everything. Ooh, okay. So many different flavors. There's a little bit of a tang because of the vinegar, but then a nice crunch because you are using very hearty greens. And then I just love pepitas in any of salads because it gives such a good crunch. So this salad is so good. I also use monk fruit sweetener, so it's healthier, the dressing. So if you guys love salads, if you love simple salads like this, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. You can play around with this base. You can add shredded some shredded
Oh my God.
Brussels sprouts.